Dinner's ready! 开饭啦!
Hello everyone, welcome to Ri's channel. Today we're going to make coconut chicken rice. It's very simple and fast. Prep time is only about 20 minutes. And you just need to gather everything in the rice cooker. Boom! 30 minutes later, you have a very delicious meal. Let's get started. Here I have all the ingredients with me. Chicken thighs. Here I directly get the boneless and skinless one. It can save me some processing time. Some corns. Frozen is fine. And mushrooms. Here I'm using the fried mushrooms, but if you have fresh ones, that would be better. We are going to soak the mushrooms in water. And some ginger. Jujubes, but it's totally optional. The taste will be perfectly fine without the jujubes. And the most important thing, the coconut water. Make sure you don't get a coconut cream, it's coconut water. Oh my god, Dodo! You got onto the bridge! What are you doing? No! 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 Don't you dare to jump! Oh my god. Get down, I need to clean the kitchen after you step on it. Oh. No. Mommy's shooting. Mommy's shooting. Mommy's shooting. I think I'll need to switch to a larger bowl. Okay, that's better. Alright, so I'm going to set aside the mushrooms and then let's start cutting the chicken into pieces. Here I'm having 20 ounces.
I saw your face in a big crowd, and now it's all I think about. I've had some leads, but nothing found. A puzzle I can't figure out. I'm running circles and I don't have a plan. I've got a mess, I stop clearing impossible tasks. Looking through my files and I'm checking the news. I'm trying everything I can to get back to you.
Time for the sauce. Let me show you all the sauces we're going to use. Soy sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, some olive oil, but you can also use veggie oil, black pepper, and some garlic powder. I'd say the garlic powder is optional. It doesn't affect the final taste that much. Ginger is going to be a very important part because it's going to help the chicken get rid of the gamey flavor. Oh, I forgot the starch. Here I'm using the sweet potato starch, but you can also use potato starch or corn starch. Here I am using a large spoon to help me measure.
Call your friends and make a plan. Let's have ourselves a date. No promises or consequence. We have no time to waste. We go from London to Paris, city to state. Drive 100 miles an hour, staying out too late. Living life as a nomad, take it day by day. Cause there's no one to tell us what to do. I want the sunny days to shine a light on me. Can't let them
Got
go
some ginger.
away. They feel so far away when all the sky is gray. I miss the sunny days.
And let's add the ginger back to the chicken and then mix it well. Let it rest for about 15 minutes. Now all the prep work is done. We can clean the kitchen a little bit and then after 15 minutes, we're going to gather all the ingredients into the rice cooker. Time for some cleanup. I really like the setup of having the trash can in the jar, so the trash smell will not contaminate the kitchen. Very convenient. Alright, 15 minutes have passed, so let's get the rice ready. We will have 2 cups of white rice. to assemble everything together. First, let's quickly check how our mushrooms are doing. Oh, pretty great. They're soaking a lot of water. I like to eat the whole mushroom, so I won't cut them, but feel free to cut them if you want. And the most important, chicken. Spread them evenly over the rice. Corns have the natural sweetness, which will greatly weaken the flavor. I'd say that's enough. A couple of jujubes. Oh, the color combination is so wonderful. And finally, the most important thing, add in the coconut water.
Technically, there are still 10 minutes left.
Let's quickly check.
Ooh, I think it's already ready.
Look at that.
Oh my god, look at that.
Alright friends, magic time! Let's try this together! Look at the rice. Look at that. Chicken, coconut rice, and corns. Wow! Wow! 开饭了. The dinner is ready. This is the most amazing moment today. A good meal can heal everything. The rice is sticky with that coconut flavor, but not too sweet. The chicken is tender. Everything is just perfect. I wish you can enjoy it with me. And the mushroom? So juicy. Oh, I really love this meal. And if you don't like ginger, don't forget to take it out from your bowl. It's probably not going to give you a good feeling when you bite on the ginger if you're not a ginger person. Wow, that's so good. Alright, that's everything for today. Thank you so much for cooking with me.
And if you're interested in my cat Dodo, he has his own account. The channel name is Dodo the Half-Tailed Ragdoll. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. I'll see you next time with another cozy recipe. Bye!